Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to delete a user on your PlayStation 5. First, from your console's home screen, locate and select the gear icon in the top right corner to open the settings menu. Once there, scroll down and choose Users and Accounts. This is where you'll find all the options related to managing profiles on your system. Next, select User Management to proceed. Now, within the User Management screen, you will see a list of all the user profiles currently on your PlayStation 5. Carefully select the profile you intend to delete. After selecting, you will be prompted to confirm your choice. It is crucial to remember that this action is permanent. Once a user is deleted, their data cannot be recovered, so be absolutely sure before proceeding. Deleting a user profile has significant consequences. All saved game data, screenshots, and video clips associated with that specific user will be permanently removed from your console. Furthermore, any game progress, trophies, and digital content purchased by that user will become inaccessible. This means if another user on the console relies on games bought by the deleted profile, they will no longer be able to play them. Before finalizing the deletion, consider backing up any crucial game saves or media files to cloud storage or a USB drive. Double-check that no other users on your PlayStation 5 rely on digital games or content purchased by the account you are about to remove. If you simply want to clear data or start fresh, sometimes creating a new user profile is a better option than deleting an existing one.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.